Go, boys. They're going right.
Covering.
Oh, right there. Watch your right. Move, move, move. Everyone stack up here. Pop up on the wall. Hey, you just went wide. Wide right. Ready to move? Right, right. Good job.
Hit! 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 Damn. Right in the finger. Fuck. Hit!
Pinky finger? Where?
Right there. Damn, man. I felt that one.
Hey guys, there. I need two people up to that 15 building.
Whew.
Take it. We're gonna move on them. Building right in front of you. Straight run.
Yeah, we gotta get eyes on that flag soon.
On the flag. He's moving on the flag.
Where the fuck is the flag?
Ready, ready, ready. Move when ready.
Six.
Call out the number. 6 by that 7 building? Yeah. Can't see 6. Okay.
Watch it, Ben. Fuck, man, I got no eyes. My bad. Jesus, I got no eyes.
Hey Sean, what's that? 12 o'clock. Right there. Who's that?
My bad. Has anybody got eyes on the right?
Eyes on right. Building 5, 9. Think clear. These people right side. Clear right side.
Fuck. I see him, I see him, I see him. Come on. Come on, man. I don't want to keep shooting. Fuck. He's right across me. Fuck. Hit. 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 Fuck, I shot this guy in the arm. I feel really bad. He wouldn't.
That building 12 guy?
He wouldn't stay out.
Fucking just round the corner and he's just.
Oh, I saw him. I said, I can't see him. I can't see him. I can't see him.
I had to burn a fucking grenade somewhere. I got wasted on the way up to him though.
Uh-oh. Fuck no.
20 seconds on my count.
Hurry, you can make this countdown.
Oh, he'll have to be his own.
I think I'm gonna go around a little bit around to the right here.
How's that tool?
I think I'm gonna go right.
Hey, you guys know there's one there? See?
Oh, there are that far left?
Yeah.
Hey, refs!
How
If
far
you're
are
in the
we going?
battlefield, watch out! If there's enemies that way, don't be in the way.
How long we wait?
Oh, he's out of bounds.
So you're alive then, Craig. He's out of bounds.
Send him back. Okay, I'm thinking left.
That's 30, eh? Or you got a beeper?
I'm good.
Oh, that's like
I'm in now.
Help over here.
Oh yeah. Right side? Okay, I'm gonna cut left.
Coming up.
Go in, go, 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 go. Fuckers!
Sorry, man. Yeah, sorry about that.
Where the fuck is everyone? Jesus. Fuck me. Left side's covered pretty hard. How's the right? Fuck me, that's good. Hope I see a guy there.
Where?
Got him.
Good.
Oh shit. Yeah, he's out.
Oh, damn. Hit.
Fuck. Where the fuck did that come from? I'm bad man, I don't use guns. I don't use guns. Look at the lovely little bunch of coconuts. I don't know who the fuck I'm shooting at. Oh, we got it. Nice. Game over. Good shit, guys. Woo.